Hey, I'm Dr. Aubrey, and I help people heal mind, body, and spirit with holistic remedies. Do you also have a little one at home that's really sick, that is cranky, that has a sore throat and a cough? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to grab some red onions. We're going to add some garlic, and we're going to cover this in honey. We're going to let this sit here, and it can sit for about 6 months. You're going to give that every time the throat starts to itch and it turns into a cough. Okay. Then we're also going to grab some organic lemons. We're going to cut them up. We're going to add sliced ginger, and we're going to top it with oregano, thyme, and rosemary. Cover those also with unrefined local honey. Let that sit there. You can serve this just by itself with hot water, or you can actually add it into the tea that I'm going to show you. We have stinging nettle, which is considered like a multivitamin in the herbal realm. We have chamomile to help relieve the tension in the body, to elevate the mood, and to also deliver some ease in the throat and the digestive system. Then we have slippery elm root, which is also going to help the digestive tract and also this throat. You're going to combine all those herbs together. You are going to let them steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're going to sweeten the tea with those fermented lemons. If that's helpful, I also have a holistic handbook that has a ton of other tips and tools in it. That's free if you sign up on my email list. Let me know if it helps.